Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to go over a new feature on Robinhood, which is trading global stocks from stock exchanges outside of the US stock exchange, all commission free. Meaning whenever you buy or sell these global stocks, there is no transaction fee. These companies are traded on stock exchanges in China, Japan, Germany, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Over 250 new companies have been added, including Tencent, Nintendo, Adidas, Aurora Cannabis, BMW, Yahoo Japan, ZTE, Volkswagen, Nestle, SoftBank, and the list goes on and on. To see the full list of companies, search for new on Robinhood. That's new on Robinhood because these are all new stocks on Robinhood. And you'll see over 250 companies. This is a great way to diversify your portfolio and get exposure to the international market. Definitely do your own research and look at the fundamentals, financials, and technicals of the company. And if you see value in the company and you think the price is justified relative to its earnings, buy it on Robinhood without having to pay commission fees. That's all for this video. Which stocks are you going to buy? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.